So in the last video, we saw what functions are in JavaScript, and in this video, we will see a special loop, which is a for each loop, which will be very useful to us in our next upcoming programs, and you will also use it in future purposes if you are coding in JavaScript. So we will be using functions in Java in that for each loop. So I will show you. First, I'll open the array.js file, array.js file. I will comment this code for now, and we will be using a for each loop on this array. Only on arrays we can use for each loop. So I will show you how to use for each loop. So I will write first the name of the array, then I will write the loop which I want to use for each, then give a parenthesis. Then it says here callback function. So we will create a function and it has some parameters, which is value, that should be string, index, that should be a number, and array, it should be a string. So we will be using this kind of things. So let's say I create a function and I give a parenthesis here, and this creates our function. So for this, it shows that it should have a function, it should have a callback function, which is this function, and then it should have a value which is string. So let's say we give the value as item, and we just console the item. So console.log, and I console the item here. Now let's run node arr.js, and it gives me all the values of array one by one: apple, mango, banana, orange. And this is how we can use the for each loop in JavaScript. Now there was one more variable, which is the index. So let's pass the index here, index. So what this index will do, it will be consoling the index number. So let's say I console.log fruits and then give a zeroth value here. I comment this for now, and when I console, it will give me the value of the first value, which is array, which is the apple. So the similar index will be in this index. So I'll comment this and uncomment this. So similar value will be in this index, and let's just console that to index. I will use it here, and let's run the file again. So apple 0, mango 1, banana 2, orange 3. So what this index is apple 0, mango 1. So index is the index of these elements, or these elements in this array. So this for each loop is very useful because we can use the each element and its index in a function itself. So this is the callback function, and these are the parameters which we can use in a for each loop. And for each loops can be used on arrays, and those are very useful to us, and we'll be using it a lot in our future purposes. So I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe, and let's see you in the next video.